Today we're going to be looking at my new air compressor slash jump starter slash power bank. This thing has a lot of functionality. I was given this product in order to do the product review. My review and my opinion of this product is my own. So some of the specs about this thing is 160 PSI. That's a lot. 160 PSI, 12 volts, all gasoline engines, and up to a 12-liter diesel. What? So in the box you have your battery terminal leads. I've noticed these leads are very solid. They're not flimsy feeling at all like some other versions I've had in the past. Very good and solid. I see one little button on the side of this. It's got the power button on it. It clicks, and I guess that's the way you initialize a unit. We'll find out. We have the air hose that's used to connect the unit to the vehicle tire that is flat. And then we have the main piece itself. On top you'll see where you connect your air hose. On the bottom on this side, this is where you connect your battery terminals. You'll plug this block right here into this terminal. It's got a nice dust cap for when it's not in use. Right here is where you have a USB type A for your power bank, a USB type C for charging this device. In the front you have a LED light. You have your LED button right here. I'm going to long press this LED button. It comes on. Now if I press a button with short presses, it will go through different modes. There's a red flashing mode. There's a white and red flashing mode. And then it is back off. So here on the front you have your controls for your air pump. I'm going to turn it on. And when it comes on, you can see it set the bar. You just hit the mode button until you get to whatever you want. Right there showing a bicycle, and it's showing 45 PSI. I can hit the down button and I can change that to whatever PSI I want. If I'm doing a car tire, it would probably be 30 to 35 PSI for a car tire. And so I'm going to go to mode again, and there's one showing a basketball, and this is like a freestyle mode. You just set it to wherever you want it at, and it starts out at 8 PSI. And then to turn the pump on, you simply press the power button again, and I can hear it blowing a lot of air. So let's go outside. I'm going to unconnect my battery from my vehicle, and I'm going to jump start my vehicle with no battery connected at all. Then I'm going to let the air out of a tire and let it be completely flat on the ground, and I'm going to pump this up from the ground up and see how well the battery holds up and how fast the pump is as it's pumping the car tire up. Then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts about this product. So as you can see, I've created a flat tire situation. The rim is completely on the ground. I have my pump hooked up. I'm going to go to, that's showing 45 pounds. I'm going to put 30 pounds in this front tire. I'm going to do 30.5 because that's what my other one was set at. I'm going to turn it on now. We're going to see how long it takes to pump it up. Alright, so the tire is completely pumped up to 30.5 pounds, and it used 2 bars of the battery. I have the jump box connected to my Jeep. I have not charged the jump box. It still only has 3 bars of power. I have the hot terminal off of the battery post of my Jeep. The battery post is right there, not connected. I have a paper towel for the video purposes to show you that the battery terminal is not touching the battery post. The only power this Jeep is getting is from these alligator clips connected from my power box right here. So I'm going to get in there now. I'm going to start the Jeep and see how well it turns over with 3 bars of power left on the jump box. It will not jump unless it senses battery. Started no problem at all, not even any hesitation. and I did not have my battery terminal connected to the battery. I did have to touch my terminal to the battery post in order to activate the box. Then I removed the terminal from the post and put a paper towel back between it, and that's how I started the vehicle. Just want to be full transparent here. It does a really good job. Very powerful little unit. I'm surprised at how well this did. Let me turn off my Jeep and I'll give you my final thoughts. Well guys, I'm truly impressed with this air pump slash jump box. It's no small feat for these little pumps to charge a tire from fully flat all the way up to operating PSI. This one right here did it in a relatively short amount of time. And then I took it over, took the battery terminal off my Jeep, started my Jeep over without any issue at all. I'm very impressed with this pump. If you're looking for a good quality air pump, jump starter to keep in your vehicle for emergency situations, this is a very good option. Check it out. I'm loving it. I believe you will too.